Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this, my bathroom attic vent. And not only is it dirty, but it doesn't sound too good. It's very loud and we need to replace the motor. So let's fix it. I start off by removing the cover. This can be a little tricky. There's two wires on each side. I have these rings and they fit into the slot and you have to squeeze them and pull them out. I end up getting it off pretty easy. I then remove the plug. There's a tab that holds the fan assembly to the housing, and you have to pry it away from the housing. It takes a little bit of struggle, but we end up getting it out. With the fan assembly back on the bench, I need to remove the fan and the fan motor from the housing so I can replace it. This particular fan is just pressed on, so you can just pull it right off. It takes a little bit to get it off. Then I remove the two nuts holding the motor on. Then I get the new motor, I put it in place, I double check the plug is in the right location, and put the nuts on. With the nuts installed, it's time to put the fan on. I have to line up this flat that's in the fan with the flat that's on the motor shaft. Just line them up and push on the fan. The last time I did this, I noticed the housing was real rusted. So I sanded it down and painted it black. That's why it doesn't look too great, but it still functions the same. To reinstall it, I put the two clips in the back and then I push up the motor and wait for it to hear the click in the front. It takes a little bit to get it in there, but then you hear the click. Once that's done, then I reinstall the plug. I cleaned up the cover and then I reinstalled it. Lastly, I turn on the switch. As you can hear, it's very quiet now. This one's done. On to the next job. Thanks for watching.